Take them down. Reinforcements are on the way. Enemy UAV active.
Sit down. You sit down.
You're being tracked by an enemy team. Tread carefully.
You sit down.
Returning you to the front lines. Go get them.
Sit down. You sit down.
Enemy UAV active. 25 are left. Keep your eyes peeled. Squad member is redeploying.
Like the cool blue light.
Gas is right on your tail.
Like the cool blue light. Like the cool blue light. Like the cool blue light.
One of your allies is back in the game.
Like the cool blue light.
Contract failed. Time ran out. Squad member.
Bro, stop fucking running from me.
Sit down.
Lockout block inbound.
Sit down.
That's a fucking train.
Gas is inbound. Marking new safe zone. Squad member is redeploying. Enemy soldiers nearby.
Taking fire here. Fighting fit.
Enemy cluster strike. Watch your rally point set. Returning you to the front lines. Go get them. Next objective updated. Contract complete. All supply boxes spare. Get to the new safe zone. Gas is closing in. Enemy UAV active. Fire sale is active. Fire station cluster inducted. Gas is right on your tail. tracking your position. Comms tower is online. Scanning for threats.
Take that LMG.
Reinforcements disabled. Gas is inbound. Marking new safe zone.
There's my next victim.
Enemy soldier nearby. Losing ground. Moving.
You see, stereophonic sound for the home is recorded on two separate tracks, each one giving special emphasis to certain sections of the orchestra, as heard from those positions. Now, when played back simultaneously on two separate systems, the sounds are blended together.
Allied precision airstrike incoming. Be aware. We've spied an enemy radar jammer in your area. You can breathe. Lost the enemy dragons. 10 remain. Victory is within reach. Spied an enemy radar jammer in your area. Gas is closing in. Relocating the safe zone. Gas is moving.
What?